Imagine this, nearly 80 million drivers across America are unknowingly throwing away hundreds, sometimes thousands of dollars every year at detail shops and mechanics. The crazy part? Some of the most powerful solutions are sitting in your kitchen cabinet or bathroom drawer right now. One of these simple tricks could literally cut your detailing bill in half while making your car safer and sharper than it's been in years. You've probably walked right past these hacks your entire driving life. So before you hand over another $100 at the car wash, stick with me. Here are 15 of the smartest, most effective car hacks using everyday household items that actually deliver pro-level results. Don't skip a single one, these will save you serious cash and make you the smartest person in any parking lot. Let's jump straight in. Hack number 15, Orange Peel Headlight Restoration. Your headlights have that nasty yellow haze that makes night driving feel risky. But here's something most detailers won't admit. You can bring them back to crystal clarity with something as simple as a fresh orange. Cut a ripe orange in half and use the juicy side to scrub the entire lens in firm, overlapping circles for 2 to 3 minutes per light. The natural citric acid gently dissolves the built-up oxidation while the oils in the peel nourish the plastic underneath. Rinse clean and buff dry with a microfiber towel. You'll be shocked how quickly the fog lifts and your lights punch through the darkness again. One orange costs pennies and does both headlights perfectly. Think about it, foggy headlights can slash your visibility by up to 80%. That's not just ugly, it's dangerous. This kitchen hack uses the same chemistry as expensive restoration kits, except you're paying grocery store prices instead of detail shop rates. One cheap orange just improved your safety and saved you $80 or more. But if that impressed you, the next one will blow your mind. Hack number 14, Vaseline on paint to prevent rust. Those tiny rock chips on your hood, the worn edges around your doors, and the exposed metal near your wheel wells are rust magnets, especially in winter with road salt. The fix is surprisingly simple. Grab some plain petroleum jelly and work a thin layer into any chip or bare spot with a clean cloth. It creates a tough, waterproof barrier that starves rust of the oxygen and moisture it needs to spread. A $4 jar will protect every vulnerable spot on your vehicle dozens of times. Here's the mechanic's secret they don't broadcast. Rust is all about moisture meeting bare metal. Vaseline blocks that reaction just as effectively as fancy aerosol sprays. Apply it every couple of months and you buy yourself months or years before any real bodywork is needed. You stay in control instead of reacting to spreading rust holes. This next one will make you smile every time it rains. Hack number 13, Shaving Foam on Exterior Mirrors. Nothing kills rear visibility faster than rain turning your side mirrors into blurry messes. Take a dab of regular shaving cream, spread it evenly across each mirror with your finger, then buff it off completely with a dry cloth. The surfactants leave behind an invisible water-repelling layer that makes rain bead up and fly away. $2 can treat your mirrors many times over. What's wild is that many expensive rain repellent sprays use almost identical chemistry. You're getting the same performance for pocket change. And the best part? This trick also works wonders on your interior windshield to stop fogging, plus bathroom mirrors and even your eyeglasses. One can protect every reflective surface you own. Let's talk about making your whole car look expensive on a budget. Hack number 12, Baby Oil for Car Shine. Your paint is clean but looks flat and tired after every wash. Detailers love charging $60 $100 for gloss enhancement packages. Here's their little secret, a bottle of plain baby oil. Put a few drops on a microfiber cloth, work it into the paint in circular motions, then buff thoroughly with a second clean cloth. The light mineral oil fills tiny imperfections in the clear coat and instantly creates that deep, wet look shine. Don't forget to hit your black plastic trim and bumpers too. A $3 bottle can dress your entire car multiple times. Many premium detail sprays are basically repackaged mineral oil with fancy labels. You're achieving the same optical magic for pennies. Plus, it doubles as a fantastic interior dressing for dashboards and door panels. One bottle handles the complete inside-and-out makeover. Speaking of bringing rubber back to life, this next hack will surprise you. Hack number 11, Coca-Cola on car tires. Dull brown tire sidewalls make even a clean car look neglected. Pour regular Coca-Cola straight onto the sidewalls, let it dwell for a few minutes, then scrub with a stiff brush and rinse. The phosphoric acid and carbonation break down baked-on grime and oxidation like a pro cleaner. What they don't advertise is that many $15 20-wheel cleaners rely on the exact same active ingredient. You're getting it for the price of a soda. Bonus, it works brilliantly on brake dust baked onto your rims too. Tires and wheels cleaned in one cheap pass. Before we continue with the real game changers, do me a quick favor, smash that like button. It helps me keep digging up these hidden tricks that shops would rather you never discover. Thanks, now let's keep rolling. Hack number 10, pencil graphite on your car key. Stiff, grinding ignition. Before you pay a locksmith or dealer big money for a cylinder service, try this. Rub a regular pencil's graphite tip all over both sides of your key, then work the key in and out of the lock several times. The dry graphite lubricates the pins perfectly without attracting dirt. Locksmiths use graphite powder for this exact reason. It's clean, long-lasting, and doesn't gum up like oil-based sprays. WD-40 actually makes sticky locks worse over time by collecting debris. Graphite keeps things smooth for months on pennies. This next one will breathe new life into tired interior surfaces. Hack number 9, spray paint on scuffed car seats. That ugly scuff or worn patch on your seat catches your eye every single drive. Match the color as closely as possible with a can of spray paint from the hardware store. Apply thin, light coats from 10-12 inches away, letting each dry fully before the next. 2 or 3 coats blend the damage beautifully. A $6 can fixes multiple spots. For tiny marks, a matching permanent marker gives even more precision. Upholstery repair kits use the same principle, you're just skipping the premium markup. Save hundreds and make your interior look showroom fresh again. Hack number 8, sock with rice left in the cabin. That persistent musty smell that no air freshener kills, it's almost always hidden moisture. Fill a clean sock with dry rice, tie it off, and tuck it under a seat or near suspected damp spots overnight. Rice is a powerful natural desiccant that pulls moisture out of the air. No moisture equals no mold or mildew feeding the odor. Refresh the rice by drying the sock in sunlight and reuse it for months. This tackles the root cause instead of masking symptoms. After spills or rainy days, it can even help dry soaked carpet pads faster. Fresh cabin air without the $100 detailing bill. Hack number 7, soap bar on car wipers. Streaking, skipping, and squeaking wipers in the rain are maddening. Lift the blades and run a dry bar of soap along the rubber edge. It cleans and lubricates in one step, removing the film that causes poor performance. Most bad blades still have plenty of life left, they just need this quick refresh. A $1 bar of soap can extend their life dramatically. Pro tip, wipe them first with isopropyl alcohol for maximum results. You'll get near new performance for almost nothing. Hack number 6, WD-40 on car scratches. Those light surface scratches that catch every ray of sunlight. Spray a little WD-40 on the area, let it sit briefly, then buff in circles with a microfiber cloth. For shallow clear coat scratches, it fills the groove and makes them nearly disappear. It's not permanent, but it shows you whether a simple polish will fix it for good. Instant diagnosis and temporary camouflage for $5 while you decide next steps. Hack number 5, toothpaste on tire rims. Brake dust stains and light oxidation ruining your wheels. Apply plain white toothpaste non-gel with a soft brush or cloth, work it in with circular motions, then rinse. The mild abrasives polish alloy surfaces safely and lift discoloration. A $2 tube does all 4 wheels with room to spare. Many pro wheel polishes work on the exact same mild abrasive principle. Detailers won't tell you because this kills a profitable upsell. Hack number 4, panty liner essential oil trick. Tired of air fresheners that fade in hours? Put 8-10 drops of your favorite essential oil on an unscented panty liner, peel the backing, and stick it somewhere hidden like under a seat or behind the dash. The absorbent material releases scent slowly for days or weeks. Swap scents anytime. A few dollars gives you months of customizable, consistent fragrance, far better than spray cans or expensive diffusers. Hack number 3, Magic Eraser on Car Dashboard. Stubborn scuffs, stains, and grime on plastics that cleaners can't touch. Slightly dampen a magic eraser, wring it out, and wipe gently. The melamine foam lifts embedded dirt and marks like magic. Detailers use this stuff behind the scenes but charge premium rates. One $4 pack transforms your entire interior. Just use light pressure on glossy screens and trim. Hack number 2, Seatbelt Clean with Soap Bucket. Grimy bacteria-laden seatbelts that everyone ignores. Extend each belt fully, use a clip to hold it. Mix mild dish soap with warm water, scrub thoroughly with a brush, wipe clean, and let dry extended. Seat belts collect more germs than you want to think about, and the dirt actually weakens the fibers over time. This quick clean is both cosmetic and a legitimate safety upgrade. Hack number 1, Vaseline on car pedal. Slippery, worn pedals that make your foot slide in wet conditions. Work a thin layer of petroleum jelly into the rubber tread pattern, let it absorb, then buff off excess. It restores flexibility and grip dramatically. Same trick works on door seals, weather stripping, and all rubber components, preventing cracks and leaks. One $4 jar maintains your whole car's rubber for months and could prevent a dangerous slip. Most drivers never think about pedals until it's too late. Heat, friction, and time dry out rubber, reducing grip when you need it most, especially in rain. This 5-minute job is one of the smartest, cheapest safety steps you can take. So tell me in the comments, which of these hacks surprised you the most? Which one are you trying first? If this video just saved you money and gave you pro-level knowledge, hit subscribe and turn on notifications. I'm dropping more industry secrets that detailers and mechanics don't want you to know. Your car will look better, run safer, and cost you way less. Check out the next video. Your wallet will thank you. Drive safe.